Hey, all pet matters. Today we're going to make a DIY gravity water dispenser because sometimes when we go out we only have a small bowl for our dog to have water. So now we're going to have a 2-liter capacity water. Okay, so we have this old container, and then let's get started. First we need this one. Okay, so we can poke this when this is hot already, so we can make a hole. Or if we have tools like power drill, so we can have a hole here, so the water will go dripping out on that hole. Okay, so we just going to make a hole on this part. Okay, so we have water here and another water bottle here, okay. And also we have this knife, okay, as an alternative for making a hole. So now this is smoking, so it means that this one is hot. So now we're going to make a hole. So we're going to okay, we have the hole here. Okay, so now we're going to unplug this because already served its purpose. Let's add this one. So now we're going to put water here. Okay. So the water here, you see, it's the bubbles is going up. It means that the water is dripping. So the water stop on the whole level, the whole part of the bottle. Okay, it means that there's an equilibrium there, so the water here will not spill water here. Okay, so water stop flowing outside because of the equilibrium. Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate. We're going to get water here. Okay, and as soon as we get water here, the water here will go down. Okay, Okay, you see the bubbles? It's drifting. And it will stop when it reaches its equilibrium. Okay, because there's no more space for the water to drip down, so it stopped. Okay, so we're going to put the water here, and we will going to get another one, okay, for demonstration purposes. Okay, so we're going to reduce water here, and then you see the water, the bubbles going up, and the water is filling the reduced water here. Okay, so our dog will have plenty of water when we go out from the house, or we go to work. Okay, so in the meantime, we're going to refill this. Okay, what is important is that this cup, okay, this cup is the key. Okay, because when we take off this cup, you can see that the water is going outside like crazy, because the air here is flow inside, so the water is going out. So this hole is no use already to control the water from flowing out, because we remove the cup here. Okay, so that is the key. So it is important to always put the cup here, so we can control the water from dripping outside. And we're going to refill this water, but first we need to put our finger here, so it's like we lock this hole. Okay, then we remove the cup, then we pour the water. So now we're going to release the opening. Okay, so you can see the hole, the water bubbling, going up. Okay, as soon as the water reaches this level, the water dripping outside will stop. Okay, what is important is we always put the cup here. You see, the bubble stops already, so it means that it reaches its limit. Okay, so that is the principle of this water gravity for dogs. Okay, if you don't have this soldering gun, we can use this kind of knife to make a hole on this bottle. Okay, we can also use this bottle, but for reference we will use this one. Okay, so we can put a hole here. Okay, so just be careful. We make a hole here using this pointed knife. Okay, this bread knife. So just be careful. Okay, and then we make a hole. Okay, that's the hole. Okay, we make a hole already. So now we're going to put water here. Okay, so we will put our finger here. This is DIY gravity water dispenser. Okay, and then we put the cup here. Okay, so you see the water bubbles going up again. We don't need to buy new. Okay, this is all recyclable. We just wash these utensils thoroughly, and it's okay. And we need to put this in the corner of the cage, so it will not drop. We just put like thin rope here in the corner of the cage, so this will not drop. Okay, this hole is a little bit higher. Takes you so long. Yeah, it's stopped already. Okay, so that's the principle. So as you can see, there's no water here. So if we want, we can pour more water, but we need to press this hole. Okay, so because when we leave and go to work or go to somewhere else, there's plenty of water reserved here, so we need to pour more water. Okay, so we need to block this hole and pour more water as a reserve. And then lock this. See, plenty of water. This method is very helpful for our dogs, especially during hot seasons, because there are many incidents that dogs died because of heat exhaustion. Okay, and water is very important for their survival. And I hope you learned something from our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.